life after the military can be just like that.
Maybe I wasn't really ready to retire.
You're going to transition whether you want to or not, but you may not be successful.
All I kept hearing were horror stories.
And I think, if anything, I was afraid.
It's a unique experience, no matter how much confidence you have, I think, while you're in the military and what you do, when you transition out, it's a little scary.
You know, when they talk about service to your country, it's not a joke. It's the real thing, and I think that's part of what kept me so long in the Air Force.
And I don't think there is a greater honor that anyone can have than to be the responsible for the lives of the best of our country.
I had been in the military since I was 17 years old.
You know, I was a submarine commander. I knew how to drive submarines. I knew how to execute missions, but what do I want to do when I grow up, so to speak?
For me, the surprise was coming back to San Diego, being a military town, and expecting it to understand a veteran. And you come back, and that's not necessarily so.
Hi, I'm Janice Whitaker, the Executive Director of VetCTAP. VetCTAP is a unique transition program. We focus on military members who are senior level enlisted and officers. Our participants have been in the military 10 or more years, and most are retiring. We also have a special interest in focus working with spouses pursuing professional careers. VetCTAP builds confidence and provides practical skills to help participants find their ideal career in this competitive job market. And a confident, working veteran or spouse is a powerhouse in today's community. If you are lost in a foreign land, heroes like these might be your only hope. Now, you can be their hope.
I'm really thankful to be able to live and work in my home state after retiring from 34 years, 6 months, and 14 days of Marine Corps service.
I am a field service engineer for Viasat.
I am in consulting. I have my own company.
And I work at Abbott now.
I did 5 other programs, and I'm sitting here talking to you because this was the program, VetCTAP.
Took my stress level from here to here.
The sense I got immediately from the first day was that these people are really here to help me.
Next day, I got the call, and a month later, I got the job. So it works. It definitely works.
Your investment will help support our veterans and military spouses like Petra, Steve, and so many more.
Please support veterans like me.
Hey, support military spouses like me.
Support veterans like me.
Veterans like me.
Veterans like me.
Thank you for your support. It makes a world of difference.